Hello, Lucy.
Hi, Alex.
You look sad.
I am very tired.
Why are you tired?
I had a long day.
Do you have plans tonight?
No, I just want to sleep.
But tomorrow is Sunday.
So?
It is your sister's birthday.
Oh no, I forgot.
Did you buy a gift?
No, the shops are closed now.
That is a problem.
What can I do?
I have an idea.
What is the idea?
Let's bake a cake.
A cake? No way.
Why not?
I cannot cook.
Baking is easy.
It is too much work.
We can do it together.
I am too tired, Alex.
Come on, it'll be fun.
But we have no food.
Let's check the kitchen.
Fine, let's look.
Open the cupboard, Lucy.
Okay, the cupboard is open.
Do we have flour?
Yes, here is a bag of flour.
Good. Do we have sugar?
Yes, we have white sugar.
Perfect. What about eggs?
I will check the fridge.
Be careful.
We have 4 eggs.
That is enough.
Do we need butter?
Yes. Is there butter?
Yes, we have butter and milk.
We have everything.
Wait, we need tools.
You are right.
Where is the big bowl?
It is on the shelf.
I cannot reach it.
I will get it for you.
Thanks. We need a spoon, too.
Here is a wooden spoon.
Okay, we are ready.
First, wash your hands.
My hands are clean.
Good. Put the flour in the bowl.
How much flour?
2 cups of flour.
Okay, 1, 2.
Now add the sugar.
This is messy.
It is okay. Cooking is messy.
I spilled some sugar.
Do not worry. What is next?
Crack the eggs. I hate this part.
Just be gentle.
Okay, 1 egg, 2 eggs.
Good job.
Oh no, a shell fell in.
Just take it out.
Okay, I got it.
Now add the butter.
The butter is hard.
We must mix it fast.
My arm hurts.
You can do it.
It is very thick.
Add the milk now.
Okay, pouring the milk.
Now stir everything.
It is heavy.
Use your muscles.
I am so tired, Alex.
Don't stop. Look at the batter.
It looks smooth now.
See? You are doing it.
It smells nice.
Add some vanilla.
Just a little bit?
Yes, just a drop.
Okay, done.
Now grease the pan
Why?
so the cake does not stick.
Okay, I will use butter.
Pour the batter in the pan.
It looks good.
Turn on the oven.
What temperature?
180 degrees.
The oven is hot.
Put the cake inside.
Be careful.
I will do it.
Thank you.
Now we wait.
How long?
30 minutes.
I can rest now?
No, we must clean.
Oh no.
It will be quick.
Fine. Pass the sponge.
Here you go.
I will wash the bowl.
I will dry the spoon.
The kitchen is clean.
Listen, the timer.
Is it ready?
Let's check.
It smells delicious.
Take it out carefully.
Look, it's golden brown.
It is perfect.
It really looks like a cake.
We are not done.
What else?
We need frosting.
I love frosting.
Wait for the cake to cool.
Okay, It is cool now.
Spread the pink frosting.
This is the fun part.
Make it look pretty.
I'm trying.
Add some sprinkles.
Rainbow sprinkles?
Yes, lots of sprinkles.
Wow, it looks amazing.
You made a birthday cake.
I can't believe it.
Are you still tired?
No, I'm excited.
Your sister will love it.
I'm happy we did this.
You are a good baker.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Can we eat a little piece?
No, it is a gift.
Just a tiny crumb?
Okay, just a crumb.
It is delicious.
Good job, Lucy.
Let's wrap it up.
Happy birthday to your sister.
Thanks, Alex. You are the best.
Good morning, Lucy.
Oh, hi, Alex.
Why are you on the sofa?
I am very tired.
But it is 10 a.m.
I know. I want to sleep.
It is Sunday.
Sunday is for sleeping.
No, Sunday is for fun.
I do not want fun.
Look out the window.
It is too bright.
The sun is shining.
My eyes hurt.
The sky is blue.
I like my dark room.
I have a great idea.
Is the idea sleeping?
No, let's go outside.
Outside is hot.
Let's hike the hill.
The hill. Oh no.
It is a small hill.
It is a big mountain.
It is just a hill, Lucy.
Walking is hard work.
You need fresh air.
I need coffee.
We can get coffee later.
My legs are weak today,
Exercise makes you strong.
but I am lazy.
Come on, get up.
Give me 5 minutes.
No, get up now.
You are too energetic.
We need to prepare.
What do I need?
Do you have shoes?
I have sandals.
No. Wear your sneakers.
Okay, where are they?
Look in the closet.
I found them.
Put them on.
Okay, one moment.
Do you have a hat?
Yes, here's my hat.
Good. The sun is hot.
Do we need water?
Yes, I have 2 bottles.
My bag is heavy.
I will carry the water.
Thank you, Alex.
Do you have a jacket?
No, it is warm outside.
Okay. Are you ready?
I think so.
Let's go.
Wait, I forgot something.
What did you forget?
My phone.
Grab your phone.
Okay, now I am ready.
Let's drive to the hill.
Can we drive to the top?
No, we must walk. And scene change. At the bottom of the hill. Here we are.
The hill looks tall.
It is not tall.
The path looks steep.
It is good exercise.
I am already tired.
Let's take the first step.
Okay, 1 step.
Good. Keep walking.
The ground is rocky.
Watch your step.
I tripped on the stone.
Be careful, Lucy.
My breathing is loud.
Breathe in through your nose.
Like this?
Yes. Breathe out slowly.
That helps a little.
Look at the trees.
They are very green.
Listen to the birds.
The birds are loud.
They're singing.
It is a nice sound.
See? Nature is beautiful.
Yes, but my legs hurt.
We are doing great.
Can we stop?
Not yet.
Please, Alex.
Okay. A short break.
Thank you.
Drunk some water.
The water is cold.
It tastes good, right?
Yes, it is refreshing.
Are you ready again?
No, just 1 minute.
Look up there.
What is it?
We are almost there.
Really?
Yes, I see the top.
It looks far away.
It's only 10 minutes.
I can do 10 minutes.
That is the spirit.
Let's go.
Follow me.
Wait for me.
Walk faster, Lucy.
I am trying.
Push yourself.
My legs are burning.
You are very strong.
I am sweating.
Good. That's healthy.
The path is steep here.
Use your hands.
I am climbing now.
Almost there.
I see the sky.
5 more steps.
1, 2, 3,
Come on.
4, 5.
We made it.
Wow, we are here.
Look at the view.
Oh my goodness.
It is beautiful.
Look at the city.
The cars look like toys.
The houses are tiny.
The wind feels cool.
This feels amazing.
Are you tired?
Yes, but I feel good.
I told you.
You were right.
Look at that cloud.
It looks like a dog.
I see it too.
I am happy we came.
I am proud of you.
Thank you for pushing me.
Hiking is fun.
Yes, it is fun.
Are you hungry?
I am very hungry.
I have apples.
I love apples.
Here is a red apple.
It is sweet and crunchy.
Eating outside is nice.
Everything is better here.
Shall we take a photo?
Yes, let's take a selfie.
Smile, Lucy.
Cheese.
Great photo.
Send it to me.
I will send it later.
I feel full of energy.
Do you want to run down?
No, let's walk slowly.
Okay, safety first.
When is the next hike?
Maybe next Sunday?
Okay, I will be ready.
No sleeping on the sofa.
No, we will hike.
High five.
High five, Alex.
Good morning, Lucy.
Go away, please.
The sun is shining.
Close the curtains.
No way. It is a beautiful day.
It is too early for me.
It is 7 o'clock.
That is very, very early.
Come on, wake up now.
I need 5 more minutes.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
I am so tired, Alex.
You are tired because you sleep.
Sleeping is my favorite hobby.
Waking up is better.
My bed is very warm.
The world is waiting for us.
The world can wait.
Stand up, Lucy.
My legs are too heavy.
You have low energy.
I have 0 energy.
I know the problem.
Is the problem you?
No, you have no routine.
I like sleeping. That is a routine.
You need a morning routine.
What is a morning routine?
It is a plan for the morning.
Plans are boring.
Plans give you power. We will start right now.
Oh no.
First, we make the bed.
I will sleep in it tonight.
A clean room is a clean mind.
My mind is foggy.
Pull the blanket up.
It is heavy.
Fix the pillows.
The pillows look soft.
Do not touch the pillows.
Okay, I'm up.
Look, the bed looks nice.
It looks like work.
Next step, we need water.
I need coffee.
No coffee yet. Water first.
Water has no taste.
Your body needs water.
Fine, give me the glass.
Drink it all.
It is very cold.
It wakes up your stomach.
My stomach is awake now.
Good. Do you feel better?
A little bit.
Just a little?
I am still sleepy.
Okay. Step 3 is vital.
Is step 3 sleeping?
Step 3 is the bathroom.
That is private.
Wash your face. Use cold water.
Cold water? Are you crazy?
It is shocking. It works.
I hate cold water.
Go do it. I will wait.
Okay, I did it.
You look awake,
My face is freezing.
but your eyes are open.
Yes, my eyes are open.
Are you ready for the big step?
There's a big step?
The biggest step. We need to move.
I am moving now.
We need exercise.
Oh, please no.
Just 10 minutes.
10 minutes is a long time.
Put on your shoes.
My shoes are far away.
Here are your shoes.
You are very annoying.
I am helpful. Put them on.
Okay, shoes are on.
Stand up straight.
I am standing.
We will do jumping jacks.
I cannot jump.
Yes, you can. Watch me. Jump. Clap. Jump. Clap.
You have too much energy.
Your turn. Let's go.
This is hard.
1, 2, 3,
My arms hurt.
4, 5, 6.
My legs hurt.
Keep going, Lucy.
I want to stop.
Do not stop. Push.
I'm out of breath.
That is good.
Why is that good?
Your heart is pumping.
It is pumping very fast.
3 more. 1,
Ugh,
2,
huh.
3, and stop.
Is it over?
The exercise is over.
Thank goodness.
How do you feel?
I feel hot.
Do you feel tired?
Actually, no.
You see?
I feel awake.
Your blood is moving.
I feel strong.
You did the hard work.
I did it.
Now for the best part.
Can I go back to bed?
No, the reward.
What is the reward?
Breakfast.
Real breakfast?
Yes, and coffee.
You are my best friend.
Let's go to the kitchen.
I am very hungry.
We will make toast.
And eggs?
Yes, eggs too.
That sounds amazing.
You earned it.
The kitchen smells good.
I made the coffee already.
You are magical.
Here is your cup.
It is hot and black. Perfect.
Take a sip.
That is delicious.
Look at the time.
It is 7:30.
We did a lot.
We made the bed.
We drank water.
We washed my face.
We exercised.
And now we eat.
Are you ready for the day?
I think so.
No more 5 minutes?
No more 5 minutes.
Do you like the routine?
It was hard at first,
Change is always hard.
but I feel happy now.
That is the goal.
My brain works.
We can do this tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Every day, Lucy.
Okay, maybe every day.
High five.
High five.
Now eat your eggs.
Thanks, Alex.
You're welcome.
Let's have a great day.
Let's go.
Great work today. Keep going. Every lesson helps you improve your English. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep learning and see you again soon.